Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today, I'm going to teach you on how to use spyware remover. Spyware remover is used to detect and delete spyware, adware and other similar programs. Spyware is a program placed in your computer by a hacker without your knowledge. So all you need to do is click the spyware remover. In this case, I use AdwCleaner application. Click the AdwCleaner application and then click scan now. As you can see here, your computer will be scanned to search for a spyware programs. After the scanning complete, it will show you the spyware programs in your computer. Click the spyware programs and then click quarantine. So that's all for today guys. Thank you for watching.